These days there are so many options for wireless earbuds, but what about the Soundcore Life P2 Mini? Let's find out. Hi guys, Niall here, and today I'm reviewing the Soundcore Life P2 Mini unboxing. It comes in a pretty standard box with the specs of the earbuds on the back. After opening it, you can find the standard quick start guide and manual. Then comes the USB-C cable and the ear tips, which is a surprise as this one comes with 5 sizes: extra small, small, medium, large and larger. This is great as then you can find the perfect fit for your ears. Now come the earbuds themselves. That's the unboxing done. So the case is made out of plastic with a matte black coating. It is a pretty small case and easily pocketable. It is a sturdy case, but I will say closing the case isn't that nice compared to the other ones I've tried in the past. It just isn't clicky and satisfying. Now the earbuds have quite a nice stem design that don't pop out your ears that much and look alright from the outside in my opinion. Mic quality. So in this video calling, working from home world, the mic quality is vital to wireless earbuds, and I can say from the calls I have had and asked the person on the other side on how they sound, and they said it sounds normal, which is great as in the past I've had earbuds with quite robotic sounding mics which aren't good. So these earbuds are rated for 8 hours playtime and an extra 32 hours from the charging case, but I doubt they last that long. Now for the main event, the sound quality. What I will say is that the sound quality is actually quite good. The bass is good and the music sounds exactly like it does on other more expensive speakers. And this is better than a lot of earbuds out there. But most earbuds have good passive noise cancellation, which means it's harder to hear things from the outside world when wearing the earbuds. But these don't make that tight of a seal so that you can still hear stuff from your surroundings, which could be a good thing for some people, but some people will not like that. Also, the highest volume isn't high enough and still doesn't cancel out surrounding noise. With a lot of earbuds, the highest volume is too loud to listen to, but with these I found myself using it most when listening to music, and it isn't that loud. Now at first, I did not know how to use the touch gestures, as they are different to earbuds I have tried previously. But then I dived into the manual included in the box and found out they have different controls to normal. And one thing I really like is that you have to press twice on the panel to pause it. Now I like this because when I'm normally lying down and the earbuds scrub against the pillow, it either pauses the content or activates Siri, which is extremely annoying, and this can be solved as now you have to double click to enable pausing. Another thing this is useful for is when you're adjusting the earbuds in your ear and it pauses what you're watching. Talking about what you're watching, some earbuds when you're watching something, the movement of the character's lips do not match the sound coming out the earbuds, and this is high latency. With these earbuds, the latency is quite low, so the movement of lips almost fully matches the sound, which is great as it makes the viewing experience amazing. Overall, these are a solid pair of earbuds with pretty great sound, but also lacking on some features. I hope this video provided value, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching.